Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to liquidate your credit cards into cash using Plastiq in 2025 step by step. If you have got available credit but need cash flow, this method can help. Let's get straight into it. First, head over to the Plastiq website on your computer and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Now, to use your credit card for payments, you need to link your card first. Here's how. Click on Link Account, then select Credit Card and hit Continue. Now, just enter your card details. Once done, click Continue and your card will be successfully added. Next, go to the Payment section and click on Make a Payment. Enter the vendor's name. This can be a landlord, service provider, or even business partner. Click Continue and follow the remaining steps like entering the amount, date, and purpose of payment. Once everything is filled out, confirm the payment. Plastiq will process it using your credit card and send the amount to your vendor in the form of check, ACH, or wire transfer. And just like that, you have effectively turned your credit card into usable cash without breaking any rules. There's a full guide on how to liquidate your credit cards into cash with Plastiq in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.